Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing another house tour. This is our completed Heather Glen project and we are so excited to show it to you guys. This is by far my favorite project design-wise. This is by far my favorite project design-wise. Daniel and his team of Anthony, Grant, and Sergio, and Mike now, our cabinet guy, I think it's their best project to date. It just looks absolutely beautiful and I'm so excited to show it to you. So let's just get into this video. So this is the front door of the mobile home. This deck right here had to be completely remade from scratch. It was just falling apart. So let's just go into the front door now. And it just opens up to this huge spacious area. I love that they took a little bit of the wall down to reveal the kitchen and you just feel like it's one big flowing room. The flooring is called, what is it called? I don't remember what the name of the flooring is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I really love it.
We'll link it below.
Yes, we'll link it down below, but just hand down to it because it is just a really cool, like, it's kind of warm and it reminds me of like a coffee shop. I really love this flooring. I want it in my own home. It is so pretty and it was one of the most inexpensive ones there. So this is the living room, obviously. Around the windows, we just added some trim, and this
windowsill. So around the window, we added a 2.5 3-inch trim, and this time we actually added a sill to the bottom of the window, so it's 3 sides of trim, and then the sill.
Do it from now on, because I think it looks really nice.
Yeah, it's a little bit more craftsman-like. So we before had just done a simple trim all the way around, but we added a sill in on this house.
But one thing I wanted to point out is that to make a mobile home look more like a home, they not only texture the walls, but they put in this actual trim because all mobile homes come with, well, do you want to show them this? It's kind of like that, just very cheap looking flat trim that joins the seams of everything. So just to really just make it look like a nice family home and just up the look of everything, adding a trim is not going to cost that much, but it makes a whole big difference aesthetically. This fireplace was here. We always like to leave these because they're just so cozy. Usually we paint this black, didn't get to it this time, but that's fine because it kind of goes with the industrial farmhouse theme of this mobile home. So we're going to start over here at the 2 main bedrooms. You guys get a sneak peek of the kitchen. This is all the original lighting. We just left it because they're fine. Bedroom number 1. It's actually pretty big and spacious. Like, I think this is bigger than most of our rooms at home. They added closets to each of these. Again, it's just some really nice wood flooring. Changed the doors. And then the knobs as well because mobile home doors are very cheap looking most of the time. Bedroom number 2 is not quite as big, but still a very nice size. Same thing, updated the knobs, doors. So this guest bathroom didn't get as much of an update. It actually was pretty nice to begin with, but we did make a few changes. I'll try to insert a before picture. I'm sure we have one somewhere. Anyway, so if you want to come look in here. So this is the guest bathroom. It had like a shelf unit here that was really just jutting out and cutting off this whole bathroom, but this house doesn't really have a lot of storage, so we needed to have something in here to kind of fill up the space and give you space to put, like, you know, cotton swabs, cotton balls, and towels and toilet paper. So I kind of styled this one to give you an idea of what it would look like. By the way, we take tons of pictures of every mobile home that we remodel, so follow us at Living Hope Renovations to see all of our pictures. I style every shoe just to give you guys some interior design inspiration as well. So yeah, we just put lots of fun baskets from Target, Home Goods, just places like that. And then this sign is made by my sister Elizabeth, who has an Etsy shop. I will link her down below. It's just this really beautiful sign and this really gorgeous watercolor print. I think it actually goes really well with this house. My weakness is to make everything look too girly. But I think pulling in some sort of animal print and then like more of the rustic vibe of stuff kind of masculines it up a little bit. Do you think so, Daniel?
I agree.
Anyways, but I think that this bathroom, I just wanted to do something really fun with. We just went with like a fun, bright color. An interior design tip that I like to use is to not overdo color, but I love color in my home. It can add a lot of interest, so I just like to do splashes of color and then carry it throughout the room as a theme. So I have like this really cute coral, it's like a coral color, and then the towels are the same color matching. These are actually from our own home. A lot of this stuff is. And then we also went with this mirror from Target. We went with it in the last mobile home and I love it so much. It's so inexpensive to just put a mirror up there rather than like a whole vanity system, and it just looks so nice. So we really didn't have to do a lot in here. I think we switched out the light, right, and the door knob, and then obviously we added this in, and then
replace the toilet.
It's a brand new toilet. But also, if you
the vanity, actually, we saved, just cleaned it all up.
Yes, the vanity and the faucet is the same. We did add a couple new fixtures in here. This toilet paper holder is from Jack and Drill. I will link that down below, as well as everything in the video. And then also the knobs are from Home Depot, and then the door stops are actually from Jack and Drill as well. I will link their social media down below. Oh yeah, and there's also towel hangers on the back of the doors too, which I really like this idea. Anyways, that's just kind of another way to give more space, is by hanging stuff on the back of the door like that. Anyways, so now we're gonna go, should we skip the kitchen and do the master bathroom? Yeah. And then do the kitchen last? Okay, let's do that. So across the living room, we're gonna go into the bathroom, or the master bedroom. And we always try to make the master bathroom in particular, just like give it a wow factor. Also, the kitchen is another thing that we like to really impress people with. So the master bedroom is really nice. I love how you have two nice sized windows in here, a lot of natural lighting coming in, just a regular black light. But the reason this one's black and the rest of the house is silver is because this is the master bathroom. And I'm so in love with it. If this was my master bathroom, I would be so happy. Anyways, again, we have a mirror from Target. The lighting and fixtures and hardware in here are all from Amazon. We'll have those links down below as well. This is just a built-in, or not built-in. What are you talking about?
This vanity comes in two parts from Home Depot. Bottom part, you can actually pick how large you want it. I believe this is a 48 that we picked out here. And then the countertop actually comes with it. Well, sold separately, but it comes also at Home Depot. And yeah, we just installed it after we pulled out the old one.
Yeah, and it just looks so good. It's like one of the most inexpensive options out there. We also tried something new this time, and Anthony actually tiled this floor, and I think it looks amazing. It was a little darker than I picked originally, but I really like this color. And I actually like how he did a darker grout, because I think for cleaning, it's just not going to show up as much dirt as like a white grout would. So I think that was a really good call on his part. And then over here, we just have more of the hardware. Black hardware in a white bathroom just like really pops. I love the contrast. On the back of the door, we have another one of the Jack and Drill door stops down there, matching the knob. This bathroom was gonna look a lot more farmhousey than the rest of the house. The rest of the house is kind of a little more industrial looking, but adding this gold mirror, which is kind of mixing metal colors, it just really ties this into the rest of the house, and I'm in love with it. I love it so much. And then again, adding the splashes of color with accessories. I also love this shower curtain that we put in here as well. And of course, we can't leave without saying shiplap. I think shiplap is like the wow factor of this bathroom, and it's relatively inexpensive, easy to install, and it just adds so much to everything. Okay. Now let's go do the kitchen. The flooring is a laminate flooring, but in areas where we want to be waterproof, we do put a vinyl instead. So that bathroom actually has tile, and then the laundry room has vinyl, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So this lighting is, oh my goodness, I love this lighting so much. I got these Edison bulbs. They're a daylight Edison bulb off of Amazon, so it's gonna give you that bright, natural looking light. But this chandelier, I love it. A lot of times I'll look on Pinterest and stuff to get ideas. I didn't see this anywhere, but as soon as I saw it on Amazon, I fell in love with it. It's really inexpensive. I think it was like $140. So we'll link that down below as well. But it is so gorgeous, perfectly farmhouse industrial, and I think it's gonna look really gorgeous above any dining room table. It's so pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the kitchen, which is our pride and joy. This kitchen is amazing. I wish you guys could see this in person because it was absolutely gorgeous. Today was the first time I saw it and I was just blown away. First of all, these countertops are not granite. They look so much like granite, but this is laminate and it saves you like a couple $1,000s to do it this way, and it looks so good. So we put all stainless steel appliances in this mobile home. Usually we steer clear of stainless steel because it's so much more expensive, but Daniel got it by shopping
the Sears outlet. That fridge actually was from the Sears outlet scratch and dent. I don't even see a dent on it, but it somehow ended up there, fit perfectly, and it was only, I think that one was under 500.
Yeah, and I really love the styling that they added. There was a really weird mobile home feature in this kitchen where there was like a cutout along the top of this wall, like you could see above the cupboards. But they sealed that up and it just looked so much nicer. The other option was to tear down the wall, but this one you still have a ton of cabinet space and then cabinet area coming out here. I guess it's a Peninsula, but it's still attached. But I really love it. You have some bar stools and still have the dining room table. The cabinets are from Ikea, and a lot of people give them boots, which these are better than what I have in my own home, and they look really pretty. Have the soft close feature. And in a mobile home, you don't want to over renovate. Otherwise, I mean, mobile homes are lower income housing, and how is a family supposed to afford a house that has tie-in cabinets, tie-in countertops? Like, the whole point is that we give a low income family a house of their dreams. So that's kind of what our vision is behind Living House Renovations. So I really love IKEA cabinets. I would love them in my own home. I think that they are excellent. So these knobs we got from Amazon, and I really wanted a more modern, industrial looking knob, so I got these really long ones. At first, Daniel wasn't into them, but now he's a believer. He sees like the whole vision behind this. So we put knobs on all of the cabinets and drawers down below as well, and it looks fantastic. This light is actually an interesting story. I couldn't find exactly what I wanted, so we got a black one, which came in a pack of 3 for $30. So this is a $10 light, put an Edison bulb in it, and I had Daniel spray paint this part gray, and it looks fantastic. I really like the look of this light now. So we, our trademark is our lovely white tile backsplash. The subway tiles are just really inexpensive, but they really look amazing. And yeah, anything else you want to add in here, Daniel?
I don't think so.
Oh, our lighting here is very industrial looking. We had Edison bulbs in this, but they were just really bright, so we just switched it out for a dimmer light. But whoever moves into here can get a softer Edison bulb, and I think it would look really nice. And then the last area that we haven't shown you yet is the laundry room, which there's not too much to see. It's kind of a mess because that's all of our stuff in there right now, but it's a really nice big laundry room. You could put a nice shelf in that corner there and have a lot of extra storage space, because like I said, the rest of the house doesn't have all that much. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. Let me know in the comments down below what room of this house was your favorite. I can't decide. I really love the whole thing, and I would move in here in a heartbeat. I love it that much. I keep telling Daniel that we need to move in a mobile home. We need to design one ourselves and then move into it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and then also go find us on Instagram, because we are always hanging out with you guys over there, and we'd love to get to know you guys a little bit more. Thanks so much for being part of this journey with us. We love every single one of you guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.